Welcome to RecipeLion. I'm Addie Gundry, the in-house chef here at the RecipeLion Test Kitchen. We are always cooking up something fun just for you, and we are so excited to have you join us. I have been part of the RecipeLion family for a few years now, but you may also recognize me from the Food Network. I've been on Cutthroat Kitchen twice, and just a year ago I competed on the Food Network Star. I've worked for chefs like Martha Stewart and Thomas Keller, and I'm so excited to be here in the RecipeLion Test Kitchen, creating recipes just for you every day. And most recently, I've published 10 cookbooks with Macmillan and RecipeLion. You should check them out. You can buy them on Amazon, and we have so many titles for you to choose from. We are constantly adding new recipes to the site. In fact, I create at least 30 a month. That means at least one a day here in the Test Kitchen. You can join us live on Thursdays at 2 p.m. And of course, every day you'll be receiving new recipes in your inbox. Now, I'm not the only one cooking at RecipeLion.com. As you may know, we publish over 300 recipes from different bloggers every month. That means hundreds and hundreds of recipes are new and exciting for you to see every single month. Not only are we creating recipes for the sites, but we're also creating videos. So if you want to learn about how we make the recipes in a video form, you should be sure to go over to YouTube and subscribe to our channels. Not only are we creating recipes, but you can also enter to win all sorts of amazing things on RecipeLion.com. We do weekly giveaways, free kitchen gadgets, appliances, you name it, so be sure to check those out. By signing up for our daily email newsletter, you can expect to receive tons of recipes, tips, tricks, and techniques right in your inbox. We are sending all of what we know straight to you from our test kitchen to yours. Thanks so much.